Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify insurance policies with Allstate easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your insurance policies with Allstate, start by visiting the Allstate website. Look for the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to access the customer portal. Enter your email address and password in the designated fields. If you haven't registered yet, click on the register link to create a new account. After logging in, find the My Policies section in your account dashboard. Click on the My Policies tab to view all your current insurance policies. Select the specific policy you wish to verify. You will see detailed information about coverage, limits, and payment history for that policy. If you need further assistance, locate the Contact Us option on the website. Choose between phone, email, or live chat for immediate support. Alternatively, you can call your Allstate agent directly for assistance. Be prepared to provide your policy number or other identifying information. Review any important notices or updates related to your policy. Take note of renewal dates and premium payment schedules. For added convenience, consider downloading the Allstate mobile app. Log into the app using your credentials to access your policies on the go. Use the app's features to make payments or file claims as needed. Follow these steps to ensure you have accurate information about your insurance coverage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.